This is why you need to master asking ChatGPT questions. It's simpler than you think. Think of ChatGPT as your super smart buddy. But like any friend, it needs clear directions. Step 1, be specific. Instead of asking, tell me about the moon, try, what are the phases of the moon? Step 2, break it down. Big questions can confuse it. Ask smaller, detailed questions instead. For example, instead of, how do I write a book? Ask, what's the first step in outlining a novel? Step 3, keep notes. If you get a weird answer, tweak your question and try again. It's like a puzzle. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you interact, the better you'll get. ChatGPT is here to help. You just need to ask the right way. Happy chatting.